Governor of Plateau State, Caleb Mutfwang. Photo. Plateau Government. Plateau State Governor, Caleb Mutfwang, on Monday, administered the oath of office to Kadi Tijanni J. Zololo as Acting Grand Kadi of the Sharia Court of Appeal, Yosh. Speaking during the ceremony, which took place at the Rayfield New Government House in Yosh, Mutfwang described the event as a significant milestone in his administration's ongoing efforts to strengthen the state's judiciary. Governor Mutfwang reaffirmed his administration's unwavering commitment to building a robust, independent, and efficient justice system, saying, "Today marks an important milestone in positioning the judiciary to perform its functions and duties as optimally as envisioned by the Constitution of the Federal Republic of Nigeria." The governor, underscoring the constitutional recognition of the Sharia court system, also said, "It is our duty and responsibility to ensure that this arm of the judiciary is properly positioned to discharge its mandate." The governor emphasized that justice must remain anchored on truth, describing it as the bedrock of fair adjudication. Justice is always a challenge to dispense, but one guiding principle is to stand on the truth. When truth becomes our cardinal objective, it becomes our guiding compass, he remarked. Highlighting the vital role of the Sharia court in matters of family life, inheritance, and asset distribution within the Islamic faith, Mutfwang cautioned judicial officers against allowing personal interests to obstruct the course of justice. He reminded the acting Grand Kadi of the solemnity of his oath of office. "Your oath places on you the responsibility to discharge your duties with honesty and integrity." Every judicial officer who upholds these principles ensures that the court fulfills the mandate for which it was established, he said. Mutfwang also spoke on ongoing reforms in the judiciary, revealing that the National Judicial Council had recently recommended 6 High Court judges for appointment. "We look forward to filling existing gaps and reducing the heavy workload on our judges." "Our judges are truly overstretched, and we must transition from the longhand writing of judgments to modern, technology-driven processes," he noted. He pledged to collaborate with the Chief Judge and the Attorney General to reposition Plateau's judiciary for the demands of the 21st century through digital innovation and institutional reforms. The governor further disclosed progress toward the establishment of the Plateau State Law Reform Commission. "Most of our legislation is 40 to 50 years old, and there is an urgent need to review it to align with contemporary realities." "By the grace of God, we are committed to achieving this," he affirmed, while also expressing appreciation to retired judges for their years of dedicated service. In his response, the acting Grand Kadi, Zololo, expressed profound gratitude to God and to Governor Mutfwang for the confidence reposed in him. "Glory be to God who has made this day possible, and I sincerely thank the executive governor for this honor," he said. He also acknowledged the judiciary for facilitating the process and appreciated the support extended to him following the demise of the previous acting Grand Kadi. The swearing-in ceremony was attended by the Deputy Governor, Go Josephine Pio, senior government functionaries, members of the judiciary, and traditional and religious leaders. "33.